Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's about to take off. On the left, we have the Syma drone, the budget-friendly flyer. And on the right, we've got the Holy Stone GPS drone HS360S, the high-flying heavyweight. Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. Let's start with the price. The Syma drone comes in at just $99. According to reviewers, this price point makes it an excellent entry-level drone, especially for kids and beginners. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS360S is priced at $209. While it's more expensive, reviewers note that it's worth every penny for the advanced features and quality it offers. Now, let's talk cameras. The Syma drone offers a 1080p HD camera. Reviewers say it's good enough for casual use and social media posts, but don't expect professional-grade photos. Meanwhile, the Holy Stone HS360S boasts a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor. Reviewers rave about its stunning picture and video quality, making it ideal for more serious photography and videography. Moving on to control and features. The Syma drone has an app that lets you draw flight paths and features like optical flow positioning, making it stable and easy to control, perfect for beginners. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendliness and simplicity. The Holy Stone HS360S, however, takes it up a notch with advanced GPS functions, a 10,000 feet long-range transmission, and multiple intelligent recording modes like Spiral Up and Catapult. Reviewers love these advanced features, which make flying more exciting and versatile. Battery life. The Syma drone comes with 2 batteries for a total of 40 minutes of flight time. Reviewers mention that, while the charge process might need some adult supervision, the dual batteries are a big plus. Holy Stone, on the other hand, offers 20 minutes per charge. Reviewers recommend getting extra batteries for extended flight times, but they praise the drone's stable flight and performance. Now, user-friendliness. The Syma drone is like the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man of drones. With headless mode, altitude mode, and one-key takeoff/landing, even your grandma could fly it. Reviewers highly recommend it for beginners and kids due to its ease of use. The Holy Stone HS360S is also beginner-friendly with an upgraded control system and a bunch of modes that sound like they came straight out of an action movie. Features like Follow Me mode, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest make it a favorite among both beginners and experienced pilots. Overall, reviewers find the Syma drone to be an excellent choice for beginners and kids, offering simplicity and durability at an affordable price. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS360S is praised for its advanced features, high-quality camera, and suitability for both beginners and more experienced users. So there you have it, folks. If you're on a budget and just want to dip your toes into the drone world, the Syma drone is your buddy. But if you're looking to splurge a bit and get all the bells and whistles, the Holy Stone HS360S is your sky-high companion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. And hey, drop a comment below. Let us know which drone you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.